Okay, I'm filming.
This is Fryer coming towards me. It's your birthday. You blow out the candle? You make a wish? Should we sing happy birthday to you first? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you.
I'll make your wish for you.
Brandon, go. He starts sticking his hand in it.
I wish for...
A baby that doesn't poop on the floor.
Yes. Ta-da!
Brandon, what's going on right now? You look so confused.
It's your birthday cake. Should we cut it out and give you a piece? It's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. There's Mickey Mouse. Look at that.
Alright, he gets that piece that he stuck his hand in.